Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is momentous. It is pronounced Momentous and spelt Momentus. Think moment and then O-U-S. Momentous is an adjective that means of great importance or significance. It is often used to describe events, decisions, or actions that are historically significant and have far-reaching consequences. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something important. For example, you could say, the signing of the International Peace Treaty was a momentous occasion, or the invention of the Internet was a momentous achievement. The word momentous comes from the Latin word momentum, which means weight, as in something heavy. It was originally used to describe something that has weight and importance. Its meaning remains very similar today. In Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, Harry and 3 other students compete in the famous Triwizard Tournament. This competition is a momentous event in the wizarding world with a big prize for the winner. Synonyms for momentous are important, significant, consequential, and noteworthy. Antonyms for momentous include insignificant, unimportant, trivial, and inconsequential. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, momentous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.